Are you fed up with an inbox overflowing with junk? Spam, newsletters you never read, marketing emails you didn't subscribe to? Google's new update makes it easier than ever. Just 2 clicks and Gmail will unsubscribe for you. You don't need to manually find each unwanted email, open it up, scroll to the bottom, and try to locate that tiny, often hidden unsubscribe link anymore. But guess what? Gmail has made it easier for you. Let me show you how to unsubscribe from all emails in Gmail. Open your Gmail, click on More, click on Manage Subscriptions. A new section will appear showing a list of all your recurring senders like newsletters and marketing emails. Find the sender you want to unsubscribe from. Click the Unsubscribe button on the right side of their name. Click Unsubscribe again. Gmail will instantly send an unsubscribe request and stop future emails from that sender. If you don't see this feature yet, it may still be rolling out. Check back soon on web, iOS, or Android. It's that simple to declutter your life.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.